Yo, what's going on, world? It's your man, Pat Seasall, Seasall LLC, mobile mechanic and roadside services. Also, Seasall speaking Empire. I'm coming to you live in effect on I-4, man, with a quick message for you. All right, you see this right here? You see that right there? We shifting. I'm driving. I want to correlate a message from this same thing. When you got people in your life, you got haters, you got doubters, you got naysayers, I want you to do that same thing. I want you to look at them first. Think about that situation, you look at them, right? You hit that clutch. Put it in gear. Shift gears on the hater. Move past them haters. Somebody bring you down, somebody's not encouraging you. You got people in your life who don't want to support what you're trying to do. Go ahead and shift that gear on them. Lead them in the past, lead them in the dust. Show them that you is gonna make it one way or another. Remember that, y'all. Mi pro mundo beneficio. GoPro stop capture.